to send Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send Solana from Phantom wallet to your Binance account. So first of all, just simply make sure that you have some Solana in your Phantom wallet available, and after that you need to make sure that your Binance is ready to receive the payment. So for that, all you have to do is just simply click on the deposit section from the home screen of your Binance account. Just simply tap on it from the right hand side corner, and from there just simply go to deposit crypto, and after that you need to select the coin in which you want to receive the transfer. Since you want to receive Solana, just simply select Solana while searching for it. Just simply click on it, and after that you need to select the network. So since you are using the Phantom wallet, so just simply select the Solana network first for that, and after that just simply click on get address, and you will be able to get the address of the deposit. So just simply go ahead and copy this particular address in your clipboard, and after that just open your Phantom wallet, and in your Phantom wallet just simply click on the send icon from the middle of the screen, and just make sure that you have some Solana in your account, and after that just select the token. So since you want to transfer Solana, just simply tap on it, and after that just simply paste the Binance address that you have copied from your Binance account. And once you have pasted the Binance address right here, just simply click on next, and make sure that you have some Solana balance in your account. Right now I don't have any Solana balance in my Phantom wallet, so that is why I won't be able to make this transfer happen. But if you have the balance in your Phantom wallet in Solana, just simply enter the amount right here, and after that just simply click on next and make the transfer happen. So this is basically how you will be able to send Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.